Hello, this is Rick Patterson with TheHandymanToolbox.com. Appreciate you coming to the video today. Just want to show you something really quick. I'm up in a attic replumbing a house, and I had an electrician come in behind me and do some work. I was away from the house for a couple of days doing another job, and I came back to finish up and kind of just left to get out of his way. So when I came back, I want to show you something I discovered. It's quite shocking. Okay, just doing a pan through, getting ready to put some insulation on some pipe that I've already laid up here in the top. And I come up through the bottom down here and get up on a ladder and just come through the ceiling. And I look to my right when I put my hand over, and look what I see. Well, I'll give you 2 seconds to say what's wrong with this. First off, there's some connections that the electrician made, and this is completely not safe, and it's completely not even within code. These clients that own this house that we're working in are going to have an inspector come in and go through the inspection, and guess what's going to happen when he comes up here and sees this mess? It's not going to pass. So the lesson to be learned here is when you can't do it yourself and you want to have somebody to come in and do it. Of course, the client didn't ask me to do this at all. It would have been up to code and done safely. As you can tell by my videos, if you haven't seen my other electrical safety videos, please check them out right here below. The other thing is, if you call an agent of any kind, let's say, for instance, I'm going to give a freebie out to somebody that I use, thumbtack.com. And you put out a request, and you have 3 to 5 people that will respond. Well, what you want to do is, first off, if they're electricians, you've got to ask for their license. Ask them to bring you a copy of their state-approved license for electricity. If they're a handyman and they're allowed to within the state or the county to do some work electrically or plumbing, make sure that they bring that license with them as well and provide that kind of things. This fella, I know for sure, did not have the license, and obviously if he didn't have, this guy would have lost his license by what he just pulled. He did some other electrical work outside that was very shoddy, and it had to be redone. The lesson to learn here is that if you hire someone to do electrical work, electricity is the only thing that you can't compensate from. You know, if you hire a plumber and the place floods out, okay, well, you recover from all that. But you will not recover from getting shocked or having your house burned down or your property burned down like this could. Again, this is not going to even pass code. So the lesson to learn again is, if you hire someone, make sure that they are a state-approved and licensed electrician and they know what they're doing. You go back and inspect what they've done, and you look at it. Know for sure that, let me show you. Let me get this in my hand. There, that right there is not safe, and it's not even in code. Nobody would pass this. Nobody at all. So the lesson to learn there is just do your homework before you have work on your home. This is Rick Patterson. Thanks for coming to my video. I'll see you next time. By the way, before you go, I want to encourage you to check out my other videos, and you'll see a link below. Click on it. The 1,000th person that subscribes to TheHandymanToolbox.com gets a free tool. Go ahead and register now. See you there.